All friends, and welcome to the channel once again. This is the very first video after I have been selected as a transcriber at GoTranscript. So I'm gonna show you another transcript, which is many of the people are struggling to make it correct. They are not able to pass the test using that script. So I have the exact and accurate script with me right now. I'm gonna walk through with you guys in the whole video. So please watch the video till the end and make sure you do as the same as I'm gonna do in this video, so you can pass that audio or that transcription. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's go to this page. This transcription was disturbing many of the people. They were struggling to transcribe the audio in a correct way. So with the help of my friend who actually passed out the test using this script, I able to rewrite the script, and let's see if helps you out or not. But I'm sure it's gonna help you out because he has already passed the test using this transcription. Okay, so first of all, just listen the audio, and I'm gonna see if there is a mistake. We will make it correct on the spot. All right, so here we go.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Okay, well, Steve, I'd like to ask you how your day was. I understand you had some problems with a machine. Could you tell me about it while I do the dishes? Just start talking.
So, between the balancing machine, we found out that the load sensors on the left side and right side of both work by swapping the cables. But the indication on the screen still shows no load values in grams on the left side. I inspected the circuit board to see if there was any loose connections on it. That will maybe, it's a current loop load cells that maybe have a different connection, but normally that will show an error and the signal won't actually show you anything. This is trying to show us something, but it's not the correct value. And then coupled with that, the timing on the weight imbalances now is going to show me about 90 degrees off axis from where it should be. So if it's supposed to be 0 degrees, being like 12 o'clock. If it's 0 degrees or 12 o'clock, we put the imbalance weight there, and it shows it at 90 degrees instead of at 0. And if I put the weight at 90 degrees, it shows it at 180 degrees, etc. So there's a definite problem with the calibration on that. So we need to get Hoffman America out there to do a calibration on the units. Or at least look at it, but since I think the data acquisition board is having a problem, we actually looked on eBay and found one at a low price, but it's an earlier revision. And it would still need to be calibrated regardless.
Let me interrupt you to ask you a quick question. How much do you think that this might cost the company?
Well, to get the service tech out, they quoted us $4,000.
Okay.
And the board might be, I don't know, 2,000, 2,500 on top of the service tech coming out. So,
So there was mentioned D for a couple of times. Since this is a clean verbatim style, so we have to remove the word which is being mentioned twice over here.
Might be $6,500, $7,000 by the time we're done.
Wow. I could buy a nice used Toyota, huh?
Yeah,
Maybe.
you could. Actually, some places you can get a nice car for that price.
Yeah.
Still working.
A Celica or an Edsel.
An Edsel?
Yeah.
Working? Maybe not.
Well, we can dream, can't we?
to dream the impossible dream of finding a car that works for $8,000.
Well, nine out of 10 car lovers would love to have an Edsel in working condition, so I've heard from Jay Leno's garage.
But I didn't hear that report. I'm sure I'm not one of the 9 out. I must be the 1 out of the 10 that doesn't.
Oh.
So the 9 other people that do.
That could be. Well, thank you for telling me all about your day, and I'm sure that the future transcribers of GoTranscript will appreciate it as well.
This audio is used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript.
Here we go. I know there are some mistakes, but they are okay to go. This is the exception because in clean verbatim style, according to the guidelines, we cannot correct the punctuation mistakes made by the speaker. So one important thing here is that never start your script by doing this. Never start a sentence in a new line. Always start the sentence in front of the speaker label like this, speaker 1, and we can start right from here. All right. And the person who is asking the question, if you know the name, you can put it in the second time, but in the beginning it will be mentioned as the interviewer, right? So here is the transcription. I'm sure you guys would be managed to pass the audio test, which is being updated by the GoTranscript in today's date. And yes, I'm hopeful that you guys would manage to pass the audio test. If you have any kind of question and suggestion, if you want any kind of help, you can always contact me. Leave your leave the comments, and I'll contact you by my own. All right. So that's it from my side, guys. I have a request once again. Please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and give the video a thumbs up. It motivates me to make more informative stuff for you guys, and don't forget to check the guidelines before you submit it. Okay, thank you so much and have a good day.